Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at the 2024 Auto Salon, last day of the Auto Salon for this year, and we are here with Tito Mon Toong. Papakita lang natin very basic na walk around sa rig nila na LC80 pero may konting, hindi konti, maraming flavor. Tito Mon, please do the honors. Anong meron dito sa sasakyan natin na to?
Okay, the concept of this car was brought about the idea na for every race, meron dapat tayong recovery vehicle or support vehicle.
Okay.
So when we deliberated, the ideal platform was an LC80. Why? Mas malaki siya na sasakyan. Malaki ang area for storage sa likod.
Okay, so space.
So after that, we decided to give it power. And the only available power na Toyota rin is the V8 nila. Yung nakakabit sa
The
LC200. LC200. Doon namin tinransplant yung makina sa 80. And since it had the power, we had to put in a rigid suspension. So we started with a portal axle ng Volvo 303, which we have here.
Portal axle ng
Volvo. Okay? So with the portal axle ng Volvo,
sige, mamaya puntahan natin.
kailangan na malaking tires ang ilalagay. So we installed a 43-inch
43.
mud terrains.
43 na mud terrains.
The lift is only a standard 2-inch lift ng Land Cruiser, but we added a special racing shocks, triple bypass na Racetech.
Racetech.
It's a triple bypass, meaning dalawang adjustment sa compression.
Wow!
Isang adjustment sa rebound para makontrol mo yung bounce ng sasakyan.
Okay.
Of course, we installed also rock sliders.
Okay, rock
Para
sliders.
sa mga bato na para hindi tamaan yung body.
Okay.
We installed front and rear bumpers.
Okay.
Of
Ito
course.
Sige, punta natin sa front, Tito Mon.
Of course, we had to install the best electric winch around, which is the giggle pin.
Okay.
Twin motor giggle pin.
Kasi ayaw pa sumama sa interview. Yan, so giggle pin, of
kinabit
course.
natin yan. Because it's a high speed, torque na winch.
Okay.
And then
Itong bumper natin, Tito Mon, itong bumper natin is made by
199 Off-Road House.
Siyempre, 199 Off-Road House.
Yeah.
Custom build for this particular rig.
We installed an Australian snorkel,
Yan.
Radius ang brand, together with the airbox.
Yan, tapos tingnan mo ulit to. So it's a V8, Ito yung sa pang 200 natin. Yan. Sige, Tito Mon, continue tayo.
And since extreme off-road ang paggagamitan nito, we remove all the unnecessary things. Dala. Boss, yung susi. Boss Eric, yung susi, pabukas lang.
Lakas nito. Lakas nito.
Nice to see.
Sabagay, recovery talaga pang karera no?
Because they say, ang pang-recovery dapat mas matindi pa sa pang-karera.
Correct.
Kasi pag nabalawan siya sa pinakamahirap na lugar, paano mo ilalabas? Diba?
Di dalawa na kayo re-recover. Special participation of Tito Mon. Special participation
Special participant of our partner, si Eric, sa FCC.
Yung ang mahal
So,
naman
yan.
ang tagabukas natin ng pinto.
There is Spartan na yung loob, wala nang mga... And then we switch on to an aluminum.
So wala na siyang carpet since it's a specific na recovery vehicle
Wala na siyang
for the
carpet.
race, wala na siyang carpet pero
Para
they
madali.
changed the dashboard to aluminum.
Para magaan, at the same time, easy to clean. Of course, racing seats for the safety of the
Racing
driver.
seats, yes, correct. Kasi standards din yan sa mga karera na dapat naka-racing seats and together with the roll cage siyempre.
Yes, to protect also the...
Together with the roll cage,
The
right?
roll
Roll cage
cage
natin yan. Siyempre kung protected ang race rig, dapat protected din yung recovery rig ng race rig, okay? Sige, dito tayo sa kabila.
Wala nang upuan sa likod para maximum storage space.
Yan. Wala na siyang upuan sa likod.
Para maximum storage space.
Tapos meron siyang, dito man ano yan, yung compressor.
Compressor for the lockers.
Compressor for the lockers.
Tapos
Yan.
yung hydraulic jack.
High lift jack.
High lift jack na hydraulic.
Hydraulic.
Racing and
Pero tingnan nyo race rig na, pang-recover siya ng race rig, pero tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kalinis dito sa show. Tingin ko soon makikita natin yan in action pag sa mga karera nila dito, Mon.
Definitely.
Definitely. Okay, dito tayo sa likod. Okay, ito.
Twin fuel tanks.
Fuel tanks. Yan.
Dalawa.
Ito man, yung ano natin, yung lalagyan natin, 199 din, di ba?
Yes, pinabricate natin for this application.
Oh, specially fabricated by Off-Road House,
Even
199 Off-Road
the
House.
roof rack,
visiting Mountain Group,
we fabricated it to match the design of the sliders.
and we'll be giving
Naka-angle, oh.
Oo nga, no?
select number.
Yan, ewan ko kung makikita sa video, pero angle ditong pinaka-roof rack nila. Hindi siya yung flat lang na ganyan, nakaganon siya.
Oh, para sundin yung angle ng ano.
Para sundin, correct. Para sundin tong angulo ng sliders.
So, nagpo-photo.
Yan, no, angle din siya.
Meaning naka-coordinated yung design ng bumper, yung slider, they're all coordinated to match the application.
Favorite color, right?
Kakagigil to. Ang ganda. O, dito tayo sa likod.
That's why
Yan, ito, Tito Mon. Ano tong nasa...
Okay, so we now have enough room for tools and other things na ilalagay. Of course, pinaka-importante yung ref. Kasi
Fridge,
siyempre,
syempre.
kung saan tayo makarating, dapat merong mga ref.
Correct, correct.
And then we have a power supply for
Okay.
other gadgets. Then we have the air compressor para sa tires.
Okay.
And then we have a drawer.
Itong drawer system din, Tito Mon, designed and fabricated, no?
No, we incorporated it na lang. We got it from another
Okay.
supplier. Kasi no need to reinvent the wheel.
Correct. If it's available, no?
Ito, may mga laman to. Ito, water tank ito.
Okay, yun, water tank yun.
Hindi ko lang mabuksan. Water tank ito.
Yan, pero water tank yan. Yan ang reservoir.
Other storages for tools.
Nice. So ayan, tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-heavily reinforced dito ng roll cage.
Naka-aluminum pa rin yung sidings para yung ano,
Ayan, tapos aluminum sidings.
para madaling linisin at wala
Okay.
tayong worry sa mabasa. Kasi the original lawanit yung
Tama. Oh, lawanit lang yung original ng 80 eh.
Yeah.
So again 80 kasi ito na body. So transplant lang yung makina nito na 200. Pero basically tinitingnan natin is 80 pa rin na yan, pinalitan nila ng aluminum para washable, madumihan, okay lang, medyo mas madaling
Tsaka,
linisin.
can you imagine the cargo space, oh?
Correct.
Cargo space na mabibigay ng 80. Kahit na punuin mo pa yan dyan hanggang doon. You can imagine the parts, the other accessories you can
Correct.
include sa recovery.
So space talaga, ang idea talaga sa sakyan nito is space and power.
talaga, oh. Well, you can also have that in a pickup pero expose yung gamit mo sa elements.
Correct.
That's why we chose the 80.
Wow. Ito dito mo, itong ano natin, itong awning natin.
This is from Australia and it's very convenient kasi walang paa.
Okay, so once again, maraming salamat Tito Mon. And anything baka may gusto kayong pasalamatan Tito Mon?
Wala, pasalamat din tayo sa Manila Auto Salon for having us. And of course, we'd like to see you again next year.
Okay, yung shop boss, yung shop.
The shop is 199 Off-Road House and we specialize in crazy things like this.
Yun. Crazy works. You just talk to them and they will help you. They will guide you with your build. Yan, Tito Mon, thank you, and thank you for this
Bye-bye.
year's 2024 Auto Salon.